If you've recently encountered security checks on your Etsy account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email for any messages from Etsy regarding security checks. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. This may include clicking a verification link or confirming your identity. Step 2. Update your password. Log into your Etsy account and update your password to ensure it is strong and secure. Choose a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Etsy immediately through their support channels. Step 5. Contact Etsy support. If you are still facing issues after completing the above steps, reach out to Etsy support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information regarding the security checks and follow their guidance to regain full access. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Etsy account after security checks. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Etsy's customer support.